What's going on, family? Welcome to our channel. This is Mike and Shelby, and our channel is DIY Home and Garden. So right now we're just doing the side of the house. Yeah, I'm just kind of picking up the bricks and everything like that. So it's a lot of work on this side.
So you'll see the transformation as we go through, and we'll be popping in and out with the voiceover. So I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you for all the subscribers, new and old.
All right, so I had to speed it up a little bit right here, but yeah, I'm just cleaning it up real good, and then we're gonna come back, and then you'll be able to see kind of more of the work. All right, so y'all keep watching. All right. All right, so all these little bushes.
Yes.
Dig all those up.
Why try to make it pretty when it's still ugly?
You know what I'm saying? We'll dig those up, but then we gotta still put the black things
I know, but you want to put it
in this line.
first. What?
We're gonna do that before we put the mulch stuff down. Not the mulch, but the what is that thing? What this is right here. It's right here. It's a joke.
Hey guys, so that's me taking out the topsoil from the bag, spreading it along. So we're doing this little side area differently. This house has been through so many changes. We've been here for almost 20 years or more. Yeah, so I'm breaking out the topsoil so the sod that we're gonna lay will adhere properly to the ground, so it can blend in with the other part of the grass.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get these bushes out on the side, but we didn't know if we were gonna save them or just throw them out. So it was kind of hard to get out, so we had to use some other tools.
And it had been so hot, and the ground was so hard. You know, no rain in sight. It was really hot that day, and you know, we were just trying to do the best we can.
So I got them out, put them to the side, and then, you know, Shelby's just trying to still putting the topsoil down in that area while I'm trying to clean up the other side. But you see, we put a lot of work. If you look at the well, earlier on the bricks that was around those trees, we took up these black what is it, pavers or whatever?
Yeah, the border, the black, I think they're like plastic instead of stone. They like stone look like, and we had those there first. We've gone through so many transformations. I mean, it's just crazy. And every time we think we're gonna, you know, we'll keep it for a few years, and then we'll, you know, start on something new. So we wanted something a little bit more permanent now, since we, you know, this is what we want to do, is stay right here.
Yeah, so just enjoying the house. We've been neglecting so much of it during our time when we was building in Ghana and headed that way. We just neglected where we were. So since we've turned that around, now we're just starting to put all our time and energy into where we are.
Right.
So while y'all watching this, let us know where y'all watching from. You know, make sure y'all leave a comment.
We're getting it now.
Kind of some things that you see that we could have done differently, or what would you have done. So right now I'm just trying to, after we put the topsoil down, we're just trying to put more sod down. So
that's what we got so far.
That's what we're doing right now.
So they come in these little sheets,
all right,
and we just put them right on top, and you know, they start to combine and spread with the other grass.
And the top, I mean the what was it?
Topsoil?
No, not the topsoil. What we just said.
The side?
The side. The side that we put it down, it kind of it didn't make it all the way. So you're gonna see us later on. We have to end up going and get some more, but Those are those little black pavers, the rubber plastic pavers that we took from the other side, and we put them down right there. So I think Shelby just digging the holes for the plants that we have.
Right. We're trying to use most of the stuff that we already have because we don't like to waste anything. If we got to buy more stuff, that's fine and all. But if we have stuff that we can reuse, repurpose, we're all about doing that as well. We try not to throw anything away because, we just don't. We just try to use everything that we have.
Right. So everything it's going well.
Yeah, just digging up the holes for the plants that I had gotten for the side. I really wanted to be simple, going over on that side of the house. Since we walk that way, but we don't walk that way, we just wanted everything to be nice on both sides of the house.
Yeah, and I was bringing those sides around one at a time, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just load them on a wheelbarrow and just bring them around here more. Then I could just, make it a little quicker, I guess.
The good thing about this is you don't have to be perfect with the sides, as long as they're all lined up evenly. And even if you miss a little spot, it's going to spread, so you don't have to worry about that.
Yeah. So y'all let us know how y'all would lay down the side. Is this the way you would do it, or,
Yeah, leave a comment if you have any backyard challenges, or how many times have you done your yard over and over again. You change your mind, and then you want something else. So let us know if you change your yard, and how many times have you changed your yard.
Yeah, because this is, I don't know how many times it is for this. On this side, maybe 3, 4.
Yeah, something about that. And you see, it has the little white rocks. We're not raking all of that up. That's just crazy. We're just gonna cover it and keep on going because nobody have time for that. So those white rocks will stay, but we're covering them, and you'll see how we're covering them with the topsoil, and then on the opposite side where I'm digging, we're also going to be covering them with the weed fabric.
This is what we was able to do with the grass. The side. Ran out right here, so we have to go through there. Saying that we need about 43 more. So make a trip to Home Depot and pick up some more side. All right, let y'all see the finished results when we get back. All right, yeah.
New music, magic, 107.5, 97.5, real sound of Atlanta.
Oh, gotta come up. All right, we needed some more topsoil, so we're gonna get some more. Gotta load this in here. All right. Whew. Sun is up. See what we put. We'll put the ground cover of the weed control over here. We're gonna plant those. I don't know where the plants are. Something my wife knows. So I took those black ones and put them along here. Little edge things. And we ran out right now. So I'm gonna cover this space. Got more mulch from Home Depot. So I'm gonna see how much we can get filled in. Right here, some topsoil down.
it's time to lay out the weed fabric. That's what I have in my hand. We're gonna roll it out so we can cover up the area where we're gonna be planting. Putting the mulch. We've already planted the plants, so we're gonna cut the weed fabric, the length of the space that we're gonna be using.
You remember what kind of plants those were?
No.
Oh, okay. All right, so we got everything, got the length of it done. So just cutting it, and then we just kind of flip it over, I guess, or put it right on top of the plants because they already planted.
Yeah.
And just trying to cut around.
Yeah, cut little slits in the same spot as the plant, so you can kind of like cover it, tuck it around like you putting a scarf on yourself. So you just cut it where the plant is, and then put it behind the plant and like tuck it like a scarf or something. And we're gonna do that to each one, and hold it down. So then the next thing we do, we're gonna be putting the mulch, the black mulch, on top of the landscaping fabric.
And we didn't capture like all the steps. So like now we didn't get the mulch going down, but it's already down. So that's the result. That's the finished result of it.
Yeah, and we already finished the sod and put some lighting, some solar lighting out there as well. So the grass blended in real good.
So yeah, y'all tell us what y'all think so far. And I'm just trying to trim the bushes. And I had that little landscape fabric under there to kind of catch it, because I have seen somebody do that before. And they caught some, and then I just got tired of using it. I said, you know what? I just get my blower and just blow it off of the rock after I'm done. So just trying to line it up the best I can with what I have. I think it turned out pretty nice.
Yeah, this is like a every 2 week ordeal that he has to do this, trim up the hedges or whatever, because we do like, to keep up our surroundings and make everything look nice and uniformed.
Yeah, I don't like the buckwheat hedges look.
Yeah.
Looking like buckwheat out there. So we're getting it all trimmed down though. It's starting to look pretty nice.
Yeah. And we live in a neighborhood where everybody keeps up their yard. So, and here is this thing.
Just want to step in and say, hey, right now, we're just cutting the grass now, getting it all lined up. I didn't even speed the camera up. This is just how I move right there. So, yeah. Yeah, this content is just what we do.
Yep.
Anyway.
Yep.
It's just not anything you have to think about. It's just what we do.
Right. Keeping the yard up.
Yeah, so we're just enjoying it.
And I love our new fence.
Yeah, we have a video coming up too. Maybe a short video showing you the fence install. How they came up with that. How they did.
And I recommend that get your fence stained too. The longevity of the fence is worth you getting it stained.
All right, so this is a walkthrough of the final result of just the flower bed by the mailbox. Grass is cut, edged up, looking nice.
It's still gotta do some power washing and of the walkway and stuff, but
See how that the grass is blending in a little bit better. Everything is trimmed up. Starting to look nice on y'all. So y'all tell us what y'all think. Y'all like it? It need any more color in there? What does it need?
Yeah. It's a rose bush in the front yard. It hasn't It hasn't grown up yet, so but it's there. Just waiting for it to grow up some more.
All right, so y'all definitely make sure y'all like, subscribe, share it. And now
It's time to eat.
it's time to eat. So watch my wife cook up this meal for tonight.
So after all that work, yeah, I'm in the kitchen as well, cooking something. So just doing what I like to do. Ain't no need to go to no fast food place when your spouse know how to cook.
There you go. Looks good, don't it?
Seasoning. Yep. And my cast iron skillet that I love. Throwing that turmeric on there. Some smoked paprika. Yep. Seasoning it up. Put it in the oven and voila. There you go.
Look at that meal right there.
Alright, I steamed some rice. Got the vegetables on the top. I think I put some pigeon peas in that rice. And we had some sweet tea and the chicken. And there you go.
All right, y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.